Welcome back to CarVibe Hub. Today, we're taking a clear and detailed look at another notable vehicle in the evolving world of modern automotive design. Our aim, as always, is to present information in a straightforward and easy-to-understand way, helping you get a complete picture of what each new model brings to the market. Whether you follow us for design updates, performance insights, or just to stay informed about the latest releases, this breakdown will guide you through everything you need to know. At CarVibe Hub, we focus on clean and simple presentations. Every vehicle we cover is explained step by step, so you can understand its key features without any unnecessary complications. In this video, we will explore the design elements, interior layout, performance capabilities, and new innovations that make this particular model stand out. Each section is approached with clarity in mind, giving you a practical understanding of both function and quality. We begin with the overall design, as this is often the first thing people notice. Modern vehicles use a blend of sharp lines, smooth surfaces, and balanced proportions to create a refined look. Whether the exterior leans toward luxury, sportiness, or practicality, it plays an important role in defining the personality of the car. Our breakdown will highlight the shape, materials, lighting elements, and unique styling cues that give this model its identity. Next, we move into the interior, where comfort, layout, and usability become the main focus. A clean interior design can make a significant difference in the driving experience. We will go over the seating space, dashboard arrangement, technology integration, and material quality. You will get a simple view of how everything is positioned, how accessible the controls are, and how the cabin supports daily driving as well as long-distance travel. Interior comfort is not just about luxury, it's also about thoughtful design, and we will explain that clearly after that. We will discuss the performance aspect, which includes the engine setup, driving dynamics, efficiency, and overall responsiveness. Whether the vehicle uses a traditional combustion engine, a hybrid system, or a fully electric platform, each powertrain brings its own advantages. Our goal here is to explain the performance in practical terms: how smooth it feels, how strong it accelerates, and how well it handles different driving situations. Finally, we'll cover the technology and safety features, which are becoming more important in every new release. Modern vehicles include features like adaptive cruise control, driver assist systems, updated infotainment interfaces, and connectivity options. We will present these features simply, helping you understand what they offer and how they fit into everyday use. By the end of this video, you will have a clean and complete overview of this model, allowing you to understand its strengths and its place in today's automotive market. This is CarVibe Hub, your source for clear and organized car information. Let's begin.